we were supposed to go watch Djokovic play, and we had to turn around and come back home, which is fine because we're gonna eat plov and hang out. But it is raining so hard, you guys. You can't even see. Look. Anyway, let's go eat plov. So for the first course, we're having soup. This is soup s frikadelkami, and it's basically chicken little mini meatballs like that. This is one of Liam's favorite. He already dusted a bowl. Oh, so good. Very good. Who needs to go to a restaurant when you have this? Look at that. We also have plov with beef. We have a side salad and some solenые огурчики. We're gonna have some of this plovchik with beef. I usually like it with lamb better, but let's try. A lot of cumin. Very good. Bomb, right, babe? I love when there's like a lot of cumin. I'm having this salad with a lot of onion in it, and it's important to have like onion when you're eating plov. Liam likes the plov.
Я так по запаху попробовал, понюхал.
Parents just told me that all of the spices that they used for the plov, it's spices that they got when they went to Dubai. Very good. And tender.
Даже Лему нравится. Посмотри, Ира, он мне весь плов с тарелки съел.
Liam just ate all my mom's plov off her plate.
Давай, давай.
Liam is more Georgian than you.
Да, моя жизнь.
Водя.
Да, моя жизнь.
The meat is so tender.
На, баба дает. Водя.
My mom's concerned that Liam doesn't eat a lot. But he eats a lot.
Они же...
Grandma vibes, you know?